Namaskaram. Today I'm going to show you how to use ability by using the modal pattum. Now to begin with, anytime we're using pattum and we're showing our ability, we need to use the dative case. So instead of nyan, we would use enikku, or instead of ningal, it would be ningalku, and so on and so forth. Now in English, we usually have the modal before the main verb. For example, I can study. But in Malayalam, we switch the order of the main verb and the modal. And the last thing that we should know is that the verb needs to be put in the an form. So for example, to study is padikkuka, it would turn into padikkaan. So let's put all of that together. If I want to say I can study Malayalam, I would say Enikku Malayalam padikkan pattu. Or I can't study Malayalam, Enikku Malayalam padikkan pattilla.